Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. So today we're gonna continue for our house 5 meter by 17 meter. Here I am in Revit interface 3D view. Okay, so by the tutorial you will learn how to create a new pane separate for 3D view and architect view, wall finish and structure for our balcony here. Okay, so now I need to adjustment for my structure first. Okay, I'm going to turn off for my shadow here. um Go to realistic. Okay, so I don't want realistic, I go to consistent color. Start from front, select like this, DE on my keyboard for delete for shortcut. So now let's paint for our structure. By pen, then I'm going to manage here, then material here, select material, go to create new material, rename. We give a name for white pen. Okay, so go to library appearance library, select appearance library, then finding for pen. Here is pen. Okay, so let's choose. Here is pink. I want this color, white color. Okay, so now here is our wall. After we paint, just hit apply, then okay. Okay, so let's paint together. If you are in beginner level, you can follow along together, but if you are higher than beginner level and intermediate or advanced, you can skip a couple minutes. Okay, so let's paint. By paint that, I'm going to PT on my keyboard for paint. Here is my white paint that I create before. Okay, so let's paint. I think I close first. I go to filter first that we got that I got take you for the previous tutorial. We select all, then select filter here, then check none, then I want only. Okay, so like this cannot because here is linked with our stem column and beam here. Okay, so we go to another way, switch like this, then HI on my keyboard for hiding element. Okay, so now it's our structure. We need to paint. PT on my keyboard for paints, choose here, paint here, then let's paint one by one. Okay, so let's follow along together. For beginner level, I want skip for this one. You want to paint another side also can, you just hit a tab key on your keyboard for painting another side like this. See, like this we want to paint another side on our column. Okay, so let's paint all first. After that, the reason why I delete the previous structure because we never delete and we paint, we directly paint, is we're wasting our time because we need to paint our structure one by one. By the way, this is a correct way. It's work for me. Okay, for the top I don't need to paint because our slab will be covered, so we just paint like this. For side as well, hit a tab key for redirect by selection. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, we are almost done. This one as well. Actually, this one we one paint also okay because later on we will add our shielding to cover, but by the way we just paint to finish our scope. Okay, so I feel better now. Okay, let's paint another side here. because our column is 300 by 300 millimeter and our wall finish on this 200 millimeter, so we need to paint for color. Okay, so sorry for some annoying for my neighbor got a kid, so I think now he's crying, got some sound import to my video. By the way, let's follow along together. Okay, so this one we need to paint as well, don't forget. Because our ceiling I just put from slab 300 millimeter only. Okay, normally I start record my video only for at night time, but today got some reason. My previous video actually this one I just produced already, but I just take back from YouTube. Then my music that I import to my video got license, so held copyright. That's why I need to create a new one. This one is roughly I just create today, so I hope you understand. Okay, so now we almost finished. Let's change topic. Going to realistic. Okay, so now we finish our paint already. Okay, this one we need to paint as well. Okay, PT again, we paint here. Okay, that look quite nice. I'm just hit escape a couple of times. HR on my keyboard for revert back my 3D. Okay, so let's copy. I just select like this, then I'm going to select like this, then go to copy to clipboard. We got learned on the previous video from level 1 and level 2. Okay, we hit finish. Okay, now file installing. Okay, and there we go. So here is what we got. Okay, then this one I need to delete DE on my keyboard for delete, so I need to create another structure. Here one, and here one, and here one as well for balcony. Okay, so let's go to structural plan, go to level 1 first. This one I'm going to delete first. Create another BM on my keyboard for structural beam. Then I'm start from here. Okay, so I want start from here. I want 200 millimeter, 2 meter. Okay, some reason we cannot see. Okay, because now we work only ground floor. Okay, so later on we can adjustment. I'm going to 3D view again. Okay, so because last time the previous one we got create our beam here, then we offset. Okay, so we can adjust that just like here. Then control key on my keyboard for continue select. That is one. We go to offset value stress 0 0, then apply, and there you go. So now we got back our column as normal. Okay, so let's create another one here. BM here, start from here until here again. Okay, again, because we never adjust that. Okay, so let's paint first. PT on my keyboard for paint. Okay, now his sound coming again, I think. Okay, so really sorry for this annoying. Okay, because now at my time zone in my country is 12 p.m. morning. Okay, hit escape a couple times. Let's create another structural beam here. Go to level 2. Okay, so I'm going to level 1 is better. BM again. Then here I need to chain faster chain. Okay, so I'm starting from here like this until here like this, then like this. Align AL on my keyboard for align. Here one and here one. Okay, so I'm select here one and here one, then go to copy, then align to level 2. Okay, so this one I'm going to delete. DE again. Go to 3D view. Okay, here is what we got. PT again for paint our structure. Okay, so I think in the future I will create a new video for link from Revit to Autodesk Robot or something like EP3. Okay, so this one in the future plan only, but by the way I will create one for you because I like to share knowledge, is my philosophy. Okay, hit escape a couple times. Let's create another beam here for the rooftop. Go to rooftop here, BM again for rooftop. Let's start from here. 1 2 3. Hit escape a couple times. Go to 3D. Okay, go to 3D here. Okay, so here, okay, here we need to get also actually to press our column here. By the way, I just paint first. Actually I can create my structure done first only I paint. So but I want you to follow along together for learning the process for how we create from structure to finish. Okay, so if I got a choice, as I talked before, I will create for how to link from Revit to Autodesk Revit and EP3 and create our structural detailing on this building as well. Okay, hit escape all time. I need to create here as well. This one just copy first, align to level 2. Okay, let's create our column here. I'm going to level 1, CL on my keyboard for column. For shortcut, select here, hit escape a couple times, go to 3D. Okay, we got a problem again because we never check our property normally properly. By the way, we can show that, no worry. And show an element. Okay, where is my column? Okay, so I hit Control Z first. Okay, so go again, CL on my keyboard, then okay, high. We start from level 1. Okay, so let's place first, hit escape a couple times, go to 3D. Okay, so here is what we got. We go to paint our column for finish our structure with painting. Actually here I need to paint as well. Okay, here I need to paint as well. Here also. Hit escape a couple. Okay, this one. Hit escape a couple times. Okay, so now we finish our structure with adjustment. I'm going to separate my 3D view. One is architect view and one is structure view. we by create that we need to go to visibly graphic for create that. By the way, we follow along together. We go to CD, hit a right click on my keyboard on my mouse, go to duplicate view, duplicate with detailing. Okay, so this one I'm going to rename for structure 3D structure, 3D structure, hit finish. Okay, so VG on my keyboard for visibly graphic, or you can go to view tab here. You can find also I want to say okay structure only, then I select all like this, all, then check none. Okay, so let's show what I want to show is what I don't want structural. All the structural I will tick all. Let's zoom in together. Okay, stair as well, roof as well, ramp. We actually generate model, no need floor. Floor actually I don't want to see. Okay, just tick here. Go to apply, then hit finish. Okay, so now we create our structural view. This one I'm going to rename for 3D architecture. Okay, 3D apps. Let's create our wall, or let's create our slab first. I'm going to level 1 again. Sorry, go to we go to ground first. So we need to create our slab. Go to architecture, go to structure, slab here, edit type, duplicate. I want 102 on 120 only. Edit here, then we rechange our size, hit finish again. Go to okay rectangle. I'm going to lock. Either later on I want to change size, it will be automatically like this. Okay, yeah, like this. Hit escape a couple times, then we go to we check back our property panel. Okay, so now everything looks fine. Just hit finish. For slab direction I don't want to show. I'm going to DE for delete. Then I'm going to select my slab here, go to 3D view, select like this. Okay, so we need to copy here, then align to 1, 2 and through top as well. Okay, and there we go. So now is what we got. So we need to create slab here as well. 1, 2 here, 3 here. Again I'm going to level 1, slab here on structural tab, rectangle, select like this, lock 1, 2, 3, 4, hit escape a couple of times, then finish, then go to level 2, again go to structure, slab, rectangle, like this, lock 1, 2, 3, 4, hit escape a couple of times, then finish. Okay, so go to rooftop, create another slab here. Hit escape a couple of times, then hit finish. DE on my keyboard, go to 3D view. Okay, here is what we got. So let's create our wall here to finish our our episode for this tutorial. I'm going to create wall, WA on my keyboard for wall, or go to architecture tab here, select here. I'm going to edit, duplicate 200 wall finish, structure edit. I'm going to add another structure. 1 2 3. This one go up like this, then this one go down, please. Okay. Add another one, go down, please. Okay, so now let's give thickness for our here, for our wall. This one I want to finish one, then this one we need to for cement slab. Go and see cement. Okay, this one I'm going to for 10. Then this one I'm under to 170. Then this one 5. This one hit Control A and Control C for copy, Control A for select all, Control V for pass. This one 10. Okay, this one 5. Okay, this one we go insert for white pen. Okay, this one Control A, Control C, again Control A, Control V. Okay, so we check back. Okay, also everything look fine. We just hit OK. 6 layer function. Okay, because we never change this one. Which one we need to change as well? Okay, hit OK, and there you go. Let's draw for our wall. I'm starting from here for my ground here. 1. Okay, so like this 1 2 3. We change the height for 3200 and then hit apply. Then I'm going to DM on my keyboard for draw mirror, find a center line like this, go into our okay, so I just close here for WT on my keyboard for window tile. Okay, so here is what we got. Here is our brick wall. Then I'm going to select here like this one, this one as well, because our level is the same height, so we can just straight away copy. Go to copy like this, line to level 1 and 2. It's okay, and there you go. So now here is what we finished. Let's create another wall here and here as well. Go to level 1, WA again, start from here until here. Okay, then this one I'm going to rehide for 3220, apply. DM again for draw mirror. Okay, here is center point. This one just like this, then align to my level 1 for ground floor, sorry. Okay, and there we go. So now we finish. Okay, here's the hollow. We need to create one. WA again, like this. Okay, this one change to 3200. The reason why I put my height is to 3.2 meter, because I know my column is 300 millimeter and my height level is 3.5, so that's why I can straight away just put 3.2 meter. Again, we're going to copy here one, align to level 1 and level 2 and ground floor like this. Okay, and there we go. So this one I'm going to pause first. Okay, so now we finished our wall and adjustment for our structure and our slab and our balcony. I'm going to turn on for realistic, and there we go. So now here is what we got. Turn on the shadow. Okay, some reason for installing. Okay, so you see it look very nice. In the next tutorial we will create our railing and curtain wall here for finish and curtain here as well. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget hit subscribe button on our official YouTube channel Revit Global Knowledge and like our official page Revit Global Knowledge for learn more about BIM. And okay, again, I really thank you and appreciation for your watching here. Okay, so if you want to help me better, just hit subscribe button and turn on notification. Okay guys, thank you for watching again. I see you for the next episode. Bye bye.